In the heart of East Africa lies Burundi, a small, beautiful and amazing nation, immense in spirit and natural splendor. Often overlooked, it quietly exists between its more famous neighbors. Burundi is a land of rolling hills, shimmering lakes and ancient rhythms waiting to be uncovered. Here, human warmth is as abundant as the green landscapes stretching to the horizon. In a world already explored, Burundi remains a place for genuine and ultimate human experience. Burundi is a story that deserves to be told, a song waiting to be heard. Burundi is a land sculpted by nature, dramatic hills, tranquil lakes, and lush forests. Known as the heart of Africa, its green mounds stretch endlessly, dotted with villages and farms. The magnificent Lake Tanganyika forms a sparkling border, supporting vibrant fishing communities and rich biodiversity. National parks like Kibira and Ruvubu protect rainforests, savannas, and wildlife, showcasing Burundi's natural diversity. In Burundi, every turn reveals a new, breathtaking vista, a true tapestry of nature. The soul of Burundi resonates most powerfully through its rich cultural traditions, which have been preserved and passed down through countless generations. At the very heart of this cultural identity are the royal drummers of Burundi. This is not mere musical performance, it is a spectacle of immense energy, precision, and profound historical significance. The drummers, carrying wooden drums, move with a synchronized grace and power that is simply mesmerizing. Their thunderous, complex rhythms are believed to connect the spiritual world with the physical, a tradition once performed only for the royal court, but now a symbol of national pride and unity. This deep connection to rhythm and music extends into the art of dance. Traditional Burundian dance is an expressive and communal activity, often accompanying the drumming. The Intore dancers, once elite warriors who danced for the king, perform with spears and shields, their movements telling stories of bravery, cattle herding, and historical events. These dances are a living history book, a way for communities to celebrate, to mourn, and to reinforce social bonds. The vibrant costumes, the energetic movements, and the powerful chants create an immersive experience that speaks to the resilience and spirit of the Burundian people, a celebration of life itself. Artisanship also plays a crucial role in the cultural fabric of Burundi. Skilled craftspeople use natural, locally sourced materials to create objects of both beauty and utility. Basket weaving, in particular, is a highly developed art form, with intricate patterns and vibrant colors adorning baskets used for everything from carrying goods to decorating homes. These patterns often have symbolic meanings, telling stories or representing proverbs. Pottery, woodworking, and metalworking are also important crafts, producing tools, furniture, and decorative items that reflect a deep understanding of natural materials and a keen aesthetic sense passed down through families. These cultural expressions are not relics of the past, they are woven into the very fabric of daily life. The sound of drumming might be heard at a wedding, a harvest festival, or a national celebration. A beautifully woven basket is a common sight in any marketplace. These traditions provide a powerful sense of identity and continuity in a world that is rapidly changing. They are a source of pride and a way for the Burundian people to share their unique story with the world. The culture of Burundi is not something to be observed in a museum. It is a living, breathing force that shapes the identity of the nation and its people every single day. To understand Burundi today, we must listen to the echoes of its complex history. For centuries, Burundi was a kingdom ruled by the Mwami, a leader both political and spiritual, deeply connected to the land and its people. Colonial rule disrupted this unity, dividing people along ethnic lines and sowing seeds of conflict that would scar the nation for decades. Yet, the resilience of Burundians shines through in the amazing developments. Communities continue to heal, rebuild, and strive for peace, drawing strength from their shared history. Today, Burundi's journey is one of hope, honoring the past while building a future rooted in unity and reconciliation. In Burundi, daily life pulses through vibrant markets, social epicenters alive with color, chatter, and the aroma of street food. Farmers bring fresh produce, while merchants display textiles and crafts. Meals are hearty and communal, often featuring beans, bananas, and ugali. Music and celebration fill evenings with drumming, singing, and shared banana beer. Whether in fields or city streets, Burundians cherish community, hard work, and joyful traditions. Burundi may not have the vast safaris of its neighbors, but its unique forests, wetlands, and deep lakes shelter rare wildlife found nowhere else. Lake Tanganyika is home to hundreds of colorful cichlid fish, most of which are found only here, an underwater world of evolution. In Kibera National Park's misty highlands, rare primates like the black and white colobus thrive in ancient rainforests. Wetlands shelter unique birds like the striking papyrus gonolek, highlighting the need to protect Burundi's irreplaceable biodiversity. Burundi is a nation of profound natural beauty and living culture, where rolling hills meet the clear waters of Lake Tanganyika. Here, tradition thrives in the thunder of royal drums and the warmth of its people. The richness of Burundi lies in small, authentic moments. Children's laughter, a shared meal, the intricate patterns of a hand-woven basket. Burundi reminds us there are still stories waiting to be told, places full of mystery and authenticity. Let this be an invitation to discover the unseen jewel of Africa, ready to share its quiet splendor with those willing to look. If you enjoy this amazing journey to explore, please subscribe so you don't miss our regular uploads. Until next time, stay blessed and let's keep exploring.